Izmir, the pearl of the Aegean. Nilay pulled the car shade back. We're here, Kaya. That's the Aegean Sea. Look how blue. Kaya, already out of his seat, was bouncing with excitement. They had arrived in Izmir, the beautiful coastal city known as the Pearl of the Aegean. Their first stop was the cordon, a long, winding promenade right next to the water. The salty air smelled like freedom and fresh fish. Did you know Izmir is the third largest city in Turkey? Nilay read from her guidebook, but it feels like the friendliest. They soon reached Konak Square, the heart of the city. There stood the magnificent Izmir clock tower, built over 100 years ago. Wow, whispered Kaya, tracing the intricate carvings with his eyes. It's like time is standing still, but the whole city is buzzing around it. To get the best view of the sprawling city and the bay, they took a ride up the historic ascensor elevator. Izmir has been an important port for thousands of years, Nilay explained as they rose higher. The ancient city of Smyrna was right here. That's why we see so much history. Their mission for the afternoon was Roman history. They walked through busy streets until they found the gates of the ancient Smyrna Agora. Kaya felt a shiver of excitement. This is where people shopped and talked 2,000 years ago. Nilay touched a tall, fluted column. The Agora served as the state marketplace during the Roman period. They saw statues and ancient arches still standing strong. Izmir is one of the oldest cities in the world, settled since about 3000 BC, she declared proudly. After all that history, it was time for fun. They hopped on one of the iconic ferries that crisscrossed the vast Gulf of Izmir. Kaya loved watching the seagulls follow the boat, swooping down to catch bits of bread. For a snack, they found a small stand selling kumru, a famous Izmir sandwich filled with cheese, tomatoes, and sausage. They ate while sitting on a bench overlooking the bustling Alsancak port, watching containers stack up like colorful blocks. From the Roman market in the morning to the modern harbor in the evening, Kaya said, finishing his drink. Izmir really is special because it connects the past and the present, right by the beautiful Aegean Sea. Nilay smiled. There were still so many hills to hike, museums to explore, and perhaps even a trip to the nearby ancient city of Ephesus. Izmir, the pearl of the Aegean, promised 1,000 more adventures for tomorrow.